Good morning, dear children. Today I'll teach you lesson 13 of English grammar, that is a and the. Okay? Now, children, let's start with this lesson. So, have a look over here. You know that the English alphabet has 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. Now children, here are the English alphabets. Okay. Now in English alphabet we have 5 vowels. Those are A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So these are called vowels. Now look here. The other letters of the alphabet are called consonants. It means what are the other letters? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. All these letters, they are called consonants. What they are called, children? They are called consonants, and the ones which I have circled, these letters are called vowels. Okay. So now children, why I am telling you this? I am telling you this because you have to understand that whenever a word starts with a vowel sound, that is whenever a word starts with A, E, I, O, U, then we always use an before that word. What do we use before that word? An. For example, an ice cream, an elephant, an umbrella. Okay, have a look over here. We use an before words starting with a vowel sound. Examples: an ice cream, an elephant, an umbrella. Now you can see over here, ice cream is starting with I. I is a vowel. Elephant is starting with E. E is also a vowel. Then umbrella is starting with U, and U is also a vowel. Okay. So what do you understand? You understand that you always use an before words starting with a vowel sound, that is before words starting with A, E, I, O, U. Whenever you find that a word is starting with A, E, I, O, U, then you write an before that word. Okay. Now look over here. We use a before words beginning with a consonant sound, that is beginning with these letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. So you always use a before the words starting with these consonants. Okay. For example, a clown, a flower, a pear. Okay. Understood? So you can see over here, clown starts with C, flower starts with F, pear starts with P. All these are consonants. Okay. All these words are starting with a consonant sound. That's why we have used a before them. Understood? Now have a look over here, children. Read these naming words aloud. Circle the words which start with vowels. Okay, so you have to circle the words which start with A, E, I, O, U. Vowels means A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so you have to circle the words which start with vowels and underline the words which start with consonants. It means these B, C, D and all. Okay, leaving vowels. So let's start. Okay, ant. Ant is starting with a vowel. So you are going to circle it. Okay. Ape it is starting with A, again a vowel, so you are going to circle it. Now, ball, it is starting with B, that is a consonant, so you are going to underline it. Doll, it is starting with D, again a consonant, so you are going to underline it. Then E, egg, okay, egg is starting with E, so it is a vowel, so what you are going to do, you are going to circle it. Then elf, starting with E, it is a vowel, so you are going to circle it, okay. Then ink, it is starting with I, again a vowel, so you are going to circle it, okay. Then eyes, it is starting with I, again a vowel, so you are going to circle it. Then fan, starting with F, F is a consonant, okay. Where is F? Here, so you are going to underline it, okay. So in this way you are going to do the rest of the words also. Understood? So children, I hope you have understood when do we use an and when do we use a. Okay, so let's start with exercise A. Look at the pictures and write the names of the objects with a or an before them. So you have to look at these pictures. The first one is done for you, okay, and you have to write a or an before them, okay. For example, here is a picture of a cup given. So what is given over here? A cup. Why a cup is written? Because it is starting with a consonant sound or a consonant, that is C. Okay. Now what is given over here? What you will say? Arrow. So arrow I am going to write over here. Now you can see it starts with A. So it is a vowel. So what you are going to write before it? An arrow, okay. Now what is given over here? What you will say? Umbrella, okay. So I'll write umbrella over here. Now umbrella starts with U, it is a vowel. So what you're going to write before it? You are going to write an over here, okay. So it becomes an umbrella, okay. Now have a look over here. What is this? You can see this is a picture of a cake. So I have written cake over here. Now cake starts with C. Now C is a consonant. So what you're going to write before it? A. It becomes a cake. In the same way you have to do these two also. Egg and tree. Understood? Now have a look over here. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Okay, so you have to fill up these blanks with a or an. Okay, so have a look over here. Let's start. Meera eats dash apricot after lunch. Now apricot is given over here. Apricot is starting with A. So it is a vowel. So what you're going to write before it? An. Okay. Next. Mother gifted Suzanne dash red dress. Now this is, what is this written? Red. Now red starts with R. Now R is a consonant. So before a consonant, what do we write? We write A. Mother gifted Suzanne a red dress. Now look here. We saw dash beautiful painting. Now beautiful starts with B. B is a consonant. So what you're going to write before it? A or A. Okay. We saw a beautiful painting. Now see this one. I take dash umbrella to school. Now what is this? Umbrella. Umbrella starts with U. It is a vowel. So what you're going to write before it? An. I take an umbrella to school. Okay. Now children, Number 5, 6 and 7 you are going to do on your own. Okay? I hope you have understood this much nicely, children. Thank you.